NEET Cracker, channel of comprehensive concepts in physics, chemistry, and biology. Welcome to NEET Cracker, the ultimate channel for NEET exam preparation in physics, chemistry, and biology. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with mind maps and concise explanations of all the important concepts covered in the NCERT curriculum. We go beyond the core concepts, delving into the periphery of each topic to ensure you grasp the subject thoroughly. With our detailed videos in English, you'll be equipped with the necessary knowledge to crack the NEET exam with flying colors. 5 keywords: NEET exam preparation, physics concepts, chemistry concepts, biology concepts, NCERT curriculum. In this video, we will guide you through the essential concepts of physics, chemistry, and biology. Our aim is to enhance your understanding and provide the necessary foundation to excel in the NEET exam. We focus on the NCERT curriculum and go beyond to explore the depths of each subject. So, let's dive in and embark on this exciting learning journey together.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NEET Cracker. Today we will be learning about the chapter Basic Maths, which is a very important chapter from the physics point of view, as this chapter will help you in your whole physics syllabus. So without wasting time, let's start. Today we will first learn about trigonometry. Now, arc length is equal to radius into theta, where theta is in radians. In this triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this is base. This is angle theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta are unitless and dimensionless quantities. Theta is a supplementary quantity but has units, but it is dimensionless. Now let's learn about the unit of angle. The SI unit of angle is radian. 2 pi is equal to 360 degree and pi is equal to 180 degree. Degree, it is a practical unit of angle. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree upon pi, and 1 degree is equal to pi radian upon 180. Minute or second is also a unit of angle. For small angles, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree is equal to 1 minute. The minute is represented in this form. 1 second, which is represented in this form, is equal to 1 degree upon 60 into 60 is equal to 1 second. Now we will learn about the ranges of sine, cos, and tan theta. The sine theta ranges from -1 to +1. Cos theta ranges from -1 to +1, and tan theta ranges from -infinity to +infinity. For small angles, sin theta is equal to theta, cos theta is equal to 1, and tan theta is equal to 0. Now we will learn about the values of sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So sin 0 degree is equal to 0, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by under root 2, sin 60 degree is equal to under root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree is equal to 1, sin 120 degree is equal to under root 3 by 2, sin 135 degree is equal to 1 by under root 2, sin 150 degree is equal to 1 by 2, sin 180 degree is equal to 0. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1, cos 30 degree is equal to under root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by under root 2, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 degree is equal to 0, cos 120 degree is equal to minus 1 by 2, cos 135 degree is equal to minus 1 by under root 2, cos 150 degree is equal to minus of under root 3 by 2, cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1, tan 0 degree is equal to 0, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by under root 3, tan 45 degree is equal to 1, tan 60 degree is equal to under root of 3, tan 90 degree is equal to infinity, tan 120 degree is equal to minus of under root 3, tan 135 degree is equal to minus of 1, tan 150 degree is equal to minus of 1 by under root 3, tan 180 degree is equal to 0. Sine of 37 degree is equal to 3 by 5, cos of 37 degree is equal to 4 by 5, tan of 37 degree is equal to 3 by 4, sine of 53 degree is equal to 4 by 5, cos of 53 degree is equal to 3 by 5, tan of 53 degree is equal to 4 by 3. Here are some formulas of trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Sin of alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha dot cos beta plus sin beta dot cos alpha. Cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha dot cos beta minus sin alpha dot sin beta. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha dot tan beta. 1 plus cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Tan of alpha minus beta is equal to tan of alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha dot tan beta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Maximum value of sin theta is equal to 1 and maximum value of cos theta is equal to 1. Conversions. If in a Cartesian plane, all the trigonometric functions in the first quadrant are positive. In the second quadrant, only sine and cosec is positive. In the third quadrant, only tan and cot is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta dot cos theta. Cos of 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos of 90 plus theta is equal to minus of sin theta. Sine of 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos of 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Sine of 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos of 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Sine of 270 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. And sine of 360 minus theta is equal to minus of sin theta. If in the trigonometric function there is 90 plus minus theta or 270 plus minus theta, then we have to change the trigonometric function. If it is sine, then we have to change it into cos, and if it is cos, then we have to change it in. If in the trigonometric function there is 180 plus minus theta or 360 plus minus theta, there is no change in the trigonometric function. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Now let's learn about the binomial expression. We all know that x power 0 is equal to 1. X is greater than x square only if x lies in between 0 and 1. 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 plus nx. and 1 plus x whole power minus n is equal to 1 minus nx. Here, for example, this example is taken from gravitation chapter which we will be learning later on. Gravitational acceleration at height h is equal to g into r plus h upon r whole power minus 2 by binomial expression, which is equal to gives g at ground into 1 minus 2h by r. Here height is very less than radius of earth, which means 1 is very larger or greater than h upon r. Geometric expression or geometric progression. The general form of geometric progression is a plus ar square plus ar cube up to infinity. Common ratio is equal to nth term upon n minus 1th term is equal to r. The sum of infinite terms is equal to a upon 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r it is the common ratio. R is less than 1 and can be positive or negative. Now let's move towards graph. Graph is unexceptionally one of the most important topics which we will learn in the whole physics curriculum. So now firstly we will define x-axis. X-axis is a straight line where value of y is always 0. Y-axis it is a straight line where value of x it is 0. Now in the Cartesian plane, we can divide Cartesian plane into 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, both the coordinates x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate it is positive. In the third quadrant, both the x and y coordinates are negative, and in the fourth quadrant, x quadrant is positive and y quadrant is negative. Now, in this graph, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin, this is angle theta, this is a straight line passing through 2 points. The coordinates of this point A, are x2, y2 and point P are x1, y1. Therefore, tan theta is equal to delta y upon delta x is equal to slope of the graph is equal to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Distance OP distance is equal to under root of x1 square plus y1 square. Distance PQ or PA is equal to under root of delta x square plus delta y square is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now in this graph, theta is equal to 0 degree, therefore tan theta is equal to 0 degree, slope is equal to 0 degree, or m is equal to 0 degree. We denote slope by the letter m. In this graph, tan alpha is greater than tan beta, therefore slope of graph 1 will be greater than slope of graph 2. Now in this graph, theta is equal to 90 degree, m is equal to slope is equal to infinity, because tan theta is equal to infinity. In this graph, all these points lie on the same line. So all points lying on the same line have same slope. In this graph, tan theta it is greater than 90 degree, therefore tan theta will be negative and slope will also be negative. In this graph, there are 3 parallel lines. So parallel lines having equal slopes but different coordinates. M1, the slope of first line is equal to slope of second line is equal to slope of third line. Now let's learn about the equation of a straight line, which is y is equal to mx plus c, where y it is the y-intercept value of y where x equals to 0, c is constant or y-intercept or a starting point on the y-axis, m it is slope and x, it is x-intercept, where value of x where y equals to 0. If two straight line perpendicular to each other, then the product of this slope is -1. Now let's learn about the rectangular hyperbola, which follows the inverse relations, which is y is inversely proportional to x power n and y is directly proportional to x power minus n. It is a general graph representing rectangular hyperbola. Here n represents the integer, and this is the general or the universal form of the rectangular hyperbola. Now parabola, which follows the direct relations, which is y is directly proportional to x power n, where n is an integer, and this is the general or the universal form. These two are the general forms of the parabolic graphs. The parabolic equation goes as follows: y is equal to x power n plus c, where c, it is constant or the y-intercept, and x, it is the x power n, it is the x-intercept. Now this is my trick to just explain you all types of graphs in a single graph. For example, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is a parabolic graph. This is a rectangular hyperbola. This is straight line. And for a parabolic graph, y directly proportional to x power n. This graph is possible when n is greater than 1. This is a straight line graph where y is directly proportional to x power n, where n equals to 1. This is a rectangular hyperbolic graph which follows the inverse functions, which is y is inversely proportional to x power n and n must be greater than 0, or sorry, n must be less than 0. Now, according to this graph, slope is positive at all the points a, b and c because tan theta is positive. Here at point P, the slope is positive. At point Q, the slope is 0, and at point R, the slope is negative. Here is an important point for all of you. If the graph resembles in this pattern, the slope continuously decreases. If graph is in this pattern, slope continuously increases. If graph is in the fourth quadrant, but it is still in this pattern, the slope continuously increases. If the graph is in fourth quadrant, but in this pattern, the slope continuously decreases. If slope from something goes to slope is equal to 0, means if a slope having numerical value goes to slope is equal to 0, then slope decreases in magnitude. If slope from 0 goes to a slope with a numerical value, the slope increases in magnitude. Now let's learn about the exponential graphs. The exponential graph of this pattern will have the formula y is equal to e power x plus c, and this is exponential growth. A graph with this type of pattern is exponential decay graph having formula y is equal to e power minus x plus c. Now let's learn about the sinusoidal graphs. This is a graph of sin theta versus theta. This is a graph of cos theta versus theta. Now we will learn about the equation of a circle. If a circle is plotted at the origin, the equation of the circle goes as r square is equal to x square plus y square. If the circle is plotted at any arbitrary points, then the equation of the circle goes as r square is equal to x minus x naught square plus y minus y naught square. Here the circle is located in the Cartesian plane. This is a general or the universal formula for the equation of a circle. Now let's learn about differentiation. D by dx, it is the differential operation. Slope is equal to tan theta is equal to dy by dx. Then d box by dx is equal to rate of change of box with respect to x. Now the formulas for the operation of differentiation goes as follows. First, dx power n upon dx is equal to nx power n minus 1. D of under root x upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x. D constant upon dx is equal to 0. D sin x upon dx is equal to cos x. D cos x upon dx is equal to minus sin x. D tan x upon dx is equal to sec square x. D cot x upon dx is equal to minus of cosec square x. D cosec x upon dx is equal to minus of cosec x dot cot x. D sec x upon dx is equal to sec x dot tan x. D log x upon dx is equal to d ln x upon dx is equal to 1 by x. D e power x upon dx is equal to e power x. Now we will learn about operations on differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to d of a plus b upon dx is equal to dA by dx plus dB by dx. Dy by dx is equal to d of a minus b upon dx is equal to dA by dx minus dB by dx. Dy by dx is equal to d of a into b upon dx is equal to a into dB by dx plus b into dA by dx. Dy by dx is equal to d of a divided by b upon dx is equal to b into dA by dx minus a into dB by dx whole upon b square. Now let's learn about the outside inside rule of differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of the outer function and keep inside as it is multiplied by differentiation of the inner function. Double differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x with respect differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to slope is equal to rate of change of y with respect to x. D square y by dx square is equal to derivative of dy by dx with respect to dx is equal to double differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to slope of slope or is equal to rate of change in dy by dx with respect to x. Now let's learn about the maxima and minima of y. According to this graph, at point B we can see y to be maximum and at point E we can see y to be minimum. So the conditions at maxima are derivative of y with respect to x must be 0 and double derivative of y with respect to x must be negative. At minima, the derivative of y with respect to x must be 0 and the double derivative of y with respect to x must be positive. Now let's learn about integration. Integration means just adding of things. So from this graph we can integrate the area of this graph which results out to be x naught y naught. According to this graph, the integration of the area can be resulted as half of x naught y naught. According to this graph, the area is integration of y dot dx is equal to integration of dA. Here dA means area of every single point in this area. The slope of this graph is equal to derivative of y with respect to x. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus of cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integration of cosec square x dot dx is equal to minus of cot x plus c. Integration of sec square x dot dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integration of x power n dot dx is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 whole bracket plus c. Integration of 1 by x dot dx is equal to log ex is equal to ln x. Integration of ex dot dx is equal to e power x. Integration of y dot dt is equal to integration of a plus minus b dot dt is equal to integration of a dot dt plus integration of b dot dt. Outside inside rule. Integration of y dot dx is equal to integration of the outer function and keep inside as it is upon coefficient of x with sign. Integration of y dot dx is equal to integration of outer function and keep inside as it is upon differentiation of the inner function. Now let's learn about log. Log a to the power n on the base e is equal to n into log a to the base e. Log y to the base e is equal to x. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. Log 1 to the base 10 is equal to 0. Log 1 to the base e is equal to 0. X power 0 is equal to 1. X power infinity is equal to x. X power minus infinity is equal to 0. If x square is greater than or equal to x, this happens when x is greater than 1 and x is less than 1. If x square is less than x, this happens when x ranges in between -1 and +1. Thank you guys. Keep supporting, share, subscribe and ring the notification bell for the further notifications. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today on Neat Cracker. We hope you found this introduction to our channel and mind maps informative and exciting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all our latest mind maps and NEET exam tips. Remember, Neat Cracker is here to guide you towards success in cracking the NEET exam. Visual display of subscription button and social media hand. Keep studying, stay motivated, and best of luck on your NEET journey. See you in the next video.